It doesn't really matter how many words I know, they're just the same, different ways to say I love you. So I know you might be thinking that I always say it a lot, but I just wanna tell you how I feel with all I've got. Kasi mahal kita, no niya. あなたでやるだけで私は幸せにする。Need a way show, not do any sata. No words can express the feeling I get. Trust me